In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new pages and add menu links in Joomla. Whether you're new to Joomla or looking to streamline your site creation process, this guide will walk you through each crucial step, ensuring your content is well organized and easy to navigate for your visitors. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to log into your Joomla administrator panel. This is your control center for managing your website. Once you're logged in, head over to the content section and click on articles. This is where all your pages and articles are stored, making it easy to manage existing content or create new ones. Next, you'll want to click on the plus new button. This is the starting point for creating a fresh page or article. Once there, you'll fill in the article details. Start with the title. The title is essentially the name of your page, so choose something descriptive like About Us or Contact Information. After you've given it a name, it's time to delve into the content itself. Use the editor provided to add all the necessary text and images that will make up the body of your page. Take your time here, rich engaging content can make all the difference in your website's effectiveness. Before wrapping up this section, make sure to adjust the status of your article to published. This is a crucial step because if your article isn't published, visitors to your site won't be able to see it. Once you're satisfied with your article and you've checked all your details, go ahead and click Save and Close. This confirms your actions and closes the editor, bringing you back to the article list. Now that your article is ready, it's time to make it accessible via your website's navigation menu. Navigate to Menus, and here choose the main menu or any other menu where you'd like your new page to be linked. Once again, click on the plus new button to create a new menu item. You'll be prompted to fill in the menu details, starting with the menu title. This is what will appear in your site's navigation, so keep it straightforward and clear for your visitors. Under menu item type, you'll need to click select, then choose articles, and finally single article. This step essentially links the menu item to the article you just created. Click select article and choose the relevant article from the list. If needed, you can set an alias or adjust other display settings, but this is optional. With everything set, simply click on save and close to finalize your changes. To ensure everything looks right, visit the front end of your website. Here you can see your new page and test the menu link to confirm that everything is working perfectly. And there you have it, a complete process for adding a new page and menu link in Joomla. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes your Joomla experience even smoother.